In this video, I'll show you how to create a burning paper style transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro using Phosphor. This transition creates a glowing, fiery paper burn style effect between your clips, making the scene change feel dramatic, creative, and cinematic. It works great for cinematic edits, storytelling videos, documentaries, creative projects, and dramatic transitions. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the effects panel, search for Phosphor. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open effect controls. Here are the most important settings. Softness controls how smooth the glowing burn effect looks. Feather controls how soft the transition edges appear. Colorize controls the tint of the burning glow. Highlight controls how bright and intense the fiery effect becomes. Ease in and ease out control how smoothly the burning effect starts and ends. Use a shorter duration for a quick burning paper flash. Use a longer duration for a slower and more dramatic paper burn transition. For best results, this effect looks amazing when combined with warm colors, high contrast footage, and dramatic cinematic shots. And that's it. That's how you create a burning paper style transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.